Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2013 triple paper. The question is, which one of the following statement is not true? Not true, that is very important. For a continuous time causal and stable LTI system. So they told the system is causal and stable. With respect to poles and zero they are talking. For a system to be causal and stable, all poles must be in left hand side of its plane, must be in left hand side of its plane, right? So no zeros have no role, right? So that is the condition for causal and stable. So S plane will be like this. Real part is sigma, imaginary part is j omega. That is real S. This one is imaginary S. So poles must be in left hand side. So let us see. All poles of the system must lie on the left hand side of the j omega axis. That is true. Not, they are asking not true. This is true. Zeros of the system, we don't bother about zero. All poles must lie within S is equal to 1. Actually, it is equal to 1. So S is equal to 1. That is not a problem. This is false. Right? So, not true. All the roots of the characters equation is nothing but roots of the characters equation is nothing but poles only. So, we know that poles should be located on the left side of the omega axis. So, this is also true. So which is not true? C is not true. So option C is the right answer because there is no condition for poles must be within S is equal to 1. That is not the condition, right? So option C is the right answer. Thank you.